In this video, we will see how you could place an SIP order for mutual funds. To begin with, switch your profile to mutual fund, that is MF, on the top right of the home screen. Next, under the Invest tab, select the fund of your choice and click on Start SIP. On the order placement screen, you will need to enter at least the minimum amount and select the SIP start date. By default, a previously created mandate would be selected as the mandate of choice. However, you may also create a new auto invest mandate by clicking here. Watch our video on how to create a new auto invest mandate for SIP investments. The link to that video is in the description box. Proceeding further, please go through the terms and conditions and click on Agree. Click on Place Order. Once you click on Confirm Order, the order will be processed and the amount will be debited a day prior in case of BSE mandate and 2 days prior in case of Sharekhan mandate.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.